Hello, beautiful people. So I have major good news for you, like major good news, okay? And this is about how you can move down to Canada, migrate to Canada real easy. You don't need a job offer for this. And whenever you see a pathway, you don't need a job offer, you need to like grab it with open arms, especially for Canada, because getting a job offer from overseas is a lot of work. So there's this program I want to share with you guys, and I do hope that you take advantage of it and move down to Canada as soon as possible. So it is like really easy. So taking away, the hassle of having to apply for jobs, it makes it easier. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all the information you need and how you can move down to Canada on this particular stream. If we are just meeting, if this is the first time you're watching my video, my name is Jackie and you are welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. So let me know in the comment section if this is the first time you're watching my video. I always have something special for my first time viewers. So let me know in the comments if this is your first time, and I will welcome you specially to the channel. And do subscribe, right, to the channel, because here is where I share information that will help you to migrate abroad, whether it is to study, it is to work, whatever it is, whatever your reason, whatever the pathway you're looking for, no matter your age, your qualification, whether you have a degree or not, for every situation, right? I have a video on my channel for that. So do subscribe and also turn on your post notification bell. So every time I share a new video, you will get to know about it, and then you can watch the video, because if you want to migrate abroad, you need to watch like several videos, arm yourself with a lot of information that will help you to actualize that goal. And if you want to talk to me privately, I do have a one-on-one consultation service where we get to talk, just me and you, over a call, and I help you to migrate, right? That is what I do. I help family and friends migrate to the country of their choice, and not just Canada, any other country, the UK, US, Germany, Japan, Portugal, whatever country you want to go to, I do help with that. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box where you can book a session to talk to me, or I'm also going to leave it in the pinned comment under this video, or simply send me an email or a DM on Instagram, and then I'll share the link with you so you can book a session and we get to talk and help you in your own migration journey. And I really want to give a special shout out to my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for the support. You mean the world to me. Truly, you mean the world to me. Thank you so much for all you do to support the channel and to support me. I really appreciate it. Okay. All right, so let's get into it. So this pathway to Canada, I've talked about so many pathways to Canada, right? Like I have a full playlist for everything Canada. You're going to see it up here and in the description box below as well. So you can see the different programs I've talked about. I've talked about how to go to Alberta, New Brunswick, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, so many provinces. I've not talked about all the provinces, but I'll get there. I do update my channel like every day with videos, so definitely I'm going to cover all the provinces, and I've talked about several pathways in each province. Like today I want to talk about how to move to Saskatchewan through one of the immigration programs that Saskatchewan has, and I already have like 4 videos on different programs in Saskatchewan. So it's like that. There are tons and tons of immigration programs in Canada, and I've not exhausted it, right? So this is just one of them. And this one is for health workers, right? So if you're a health worker, and when I say health worker, it's not just doctors, nurses, carers, there are so many occupations that are listed under this. I'm going to show you in this video all the occupations. So there's something for like so many people that work in the healthcare sector, even like technicians, assistants, things like it's all there. I'm going to show you, okay? The name of this program, right, is the Saskatchewan International Healthcare Worker Expression of Interest Pool. So what happens on this stream is that you express your interest to move down to the province of Saskatchewan as a healthcare worker. And when you do that, it then makes, the healthcare employers in Canada to reach out to you to offer you a job. So rather than going online to apply for hundreds and thousands of jobs in Canada, you can just send out one application, which is the expression of interest, and then the employers in Saskatchewan that want you to join their team will reach out to you, right? Doesn't that sound interesting? So this is like one of the easiest ways to move down to Canada, because you don't need to send out any job application. So this expression of interest is not an application to the Saskatchewan provincial program or anything like that. It is like a pre-application. So you send in your expression of interest, and when the employers reach out to you, you get hired, then you now go ahead to apply for the provincial program. Okay. And you're going to be going to Canada as a permanent resident, and you're going to be going with your family. If you have a spouse and children, dependents, you go with them on this pathway. So it is a permanent residency pathway. You go with your family, right? And you don't send out job applications. So that is really good. Before we go ahead, please just take a second to give this video a like. That is a thumbs up. Hit the like button under this video, please. Thank you so much for the support. I do appreciate you as you hit the like button under this video. Thank you so much. So while sending your expression of interest, you're going to fill a form. They're going to be asking you questions. That's basically how it works. And the information that is asked for is used to identify you for job opportunities being offered by Saskatchewan healthcare sector employers, right? So those who have skills needed will be contacted with job posting information, identifying where and how to apply for a job opportunity. So if you are selected and receive an employment offer, you may be eligible for the SINP's International Skilled Worker Employment Offer or the Hard to Fill Skills Pilot. So when you're accepted, when you get a job offer through your expression of interest, right, you can then apply for either of these two immigration programs. And I'm positive that I have done videos on these two programs. I'm going to drop the links, in the description if I've done them, right? So you can watch those videos. And if I've not done them, but I think I have, I'll do, videos about them because I've done so many videos. I can't really remember, but it looks like something I've done, okay? So now I must mention that, it's mentioned here on the website that not all candidates who submit an expression of interest will receive a job opportunity notification. So sending in an expression of interest is not like 100% guaranteed that you're going to get a job offer. Okay, so let's just put that out there. There are no limits on the number of workers who can submit an expression of interest. However, candidates can only have one expression of interest profile. So let's quickly look at the occupations that are eligible. Like that is like, one of the best information here. Let's go through the list together. So we have the health information management practitioner, public and environmental health and safety professionals, occupational health and safety specialist, registered nurse and registered psychiatric nurse, chiropractors, nurse practitioner, physician assistants, midwives, and allied health professionals, pharmacists, audiologists and speech language pathologists, physiotherapists, respiratory therapists. Okay, I cannot mention all of them, but you can see them on your screen, right? So these are the occupations that are listed under this particular stream. So there are so many of them: therapists, pharmacy technicians, sonographers, it's a lot. So many occupations are listed here. So what are the steps you need to take? Number one, send your expression of interest to Saskatchewan. And then when you get a job offer, you apply for either the International Skilled Worker Employment Offer or you apply for the Hard to Fill Skills Pilot. That is how it works. So I'm going to drop a link to this in the description box below. So you can click on the link, see all the information, and you also see a link to create your expression of interest profile as well. So those are the steps you're going to take. And I do hope that you attack it, like you apply immediately, take advantage of this information before this stream closes, because immigration programs don't stay open forever. So once the immigration programs meet the needs of, the purpose it was created, because these immigration programs are created because of economic needs, right? So once the economic need has been met, they move on to something else. So do take advantage of this immediately. And do give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching up to this point, it means you found value in this video. So do hit the like button, just to support the channel, and also share it with other people. Let's say your occupation is not here, but you know someone whose occupation is here. You can share the video with them, share it with other people so they can take advantage and move down to Canada. And also subscribe to the channel so you can be seeing more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jackie and I'll see you in my next video.